In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give prototype on Penpot. To get started, make sure your design file is already open inside the Penpot editor. Before you can share anything, you need to launch the prototype in view mode, which is the player interface people will actually use when reviewing your work. In the top right corner of the toolbar, click the play icon. Once you do that, Penpot will open your interactive app or website prototype in a new browser tab. This is helpful because it lets you preview the experience separately from the editing workspace, so you can see exactly what your viewers will see. Now that you're in view mode, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll find the share button there, usually shown as a link icon or clearly labeled share. Click it, and a configuration panel will slide open. This panel is where Penpot prepares a unique shareable URL for your prototype. When you're ready, click Copy Link to save that URL to your clipboard. At that point, the link is ready to paste wherever you need it, whether that's in a message, a project document, or a feedback thread. Before sending it out, you also have a couple of optional settings worth reviewing in the same share panel. If you want clients, developers, or stakeholders to leave feedback directly on the prototype, enable Allow Comments. This makes collaboration much easier because comments can be pinned to specific elements on the design. You can also turn on Hide Interface if you want viewers to see only the design screens without Penpot's sidebars or navigation bars. That creates a cleaner, more immersive presentation, especially if you want the prototype to feel more like a real app or website. Once those options are set the way you want, your link is ready to share.